After 5 detailed lessons about light, we are now at the end of this section. Light is probably the most challenging aspect of photo manipulation. But with what we've covered in this section, you should be able to tackle any possible light scenario. Let's quickly refresh our memory on what we've learned. Remember that all stock photos in any given composite need to have the same type of light. The direction of the light also needs to match, otherwise, your artwork would look fake. When working on shadows, remember to paint 3 shadows: the contact shadow, the form shadow, and the cast shadow. Without any one of these, you will not be able to create realistic-looking composites. And again, plan your artworks in advance. It takes time and practice to produce high-quality artworks, but if you practice and apply this knowledge to your work, you will get there sooner than you might think. Every composite is different, sometimes it's easy, and sometimes it's more challenging. When I get stuck, it's usually in the shadows part because I want my work to look as realistic as possible, so I spend a fair bit of time on that. Sometimes you might find yourself having to go back and fix something. If that happens, don't worry, that's normal. The beauty of working digitally is that it's very easy to go back and fix what's needed. That was light. But compositing and blending images together is about 3 things, the 3 pillars of photo manipulation: perspective, light, and color correction. In the next and last section of this course, we will address the 3rd pillar, color correction. We will continue working on our artwork, and I will show you how to apply color correction to further blend our images. Each stock image in our composite was shot differently, so the colors vary. But with the proper color correction, we can blend them to look as if they were all shot together. We will dive deep into HSL, which means hue, saturation, and luminosity, as these are the 3 key color correction components we need to master. So join me in the 3rd and final section of this course for more exciting stuff. See you there.